These are the hallmarks of the Dassault Rafale, one of the most advanced multi-role fighter jets in the world. Developed delta-wing fighter jet designed to excel in a wide variety of missions. From air superiority and ground attack to reconnaissance and nuclear deterrence, the Rafale can do it all. The Snecma M88 engines powering the Rafale deliver a perfect balance of raw thrust and fuel efficiency, ensuring peak performance in a wide range of missions. Adaptability defines the Rafale. It can operate from air bases, aircraft carriers, or rugged forward airstrips, ensuring its readiness for any mission, anywhere. Inside the cockpit, the Rafale provides the ultimate pilot experience with its glass displays, hands-on throttle and stick controls, and helmet-mounted systems for complete situational awareness. The Rafale is highly versatile and can carry a wide range of missiles for various combat scenarios. These capabilities ensure that the Rafale can effectively handle air superiority, precision strike, and naval attack missions. The French armed forces have placed multiple orders for the Rafale, totaling 234 aircraft allocated between the French Air and Space Force and the French Navy. Additionally, several countries have signed export contracts for the Rafale: Egypt, 55 unit, India, 36 unit, Qatar, 36 unit, Greece, 12 ex-French aircraft and 12 new-built Rafales, Croatia, 12 ex-French Rafales, United Arab Emirates, 80 standard F4 unit, Indonesia, 42 unit, Serbia, 12 unit. The Dassault Rafale has been deployed in several combat missions worldwide since its introduction, showcasing its multi-role capabilities. Here are some notable missions and the years they occurred. Afghanistan, 2007-2012. Mission, NATO-led International Security Assistance Force, ISAF operations. Libya, 2011, mission, Operation Harmattan, France's contribution to NATO's Operation Unified Protector. Mali, 2013, mission Operation Serval, airstrikes against Islamist militant groups in northern Mali. Rafales conducted deep strike missions from bases in France, showcasing their long-range capabilities and precision targeting. Iraq and Syria 2014-present, mission Operation Shamal, France's contribution to the fight against ISIS. Central African Republic 2013, mission Operation Sangaris, supporting French forces on the ground during the civil conflict. Yemen 2015-present, mission Saudi-led coalition operations, airstrikes against Houthi rebel targets. Dassault Rafale isn't just an aircraft, it's a statement of excellence, innovation, and readiness. Whether soaring through the skies or standing guard on the ground, the Rafale defines the future of air combat.